Very good for him as we are underway tonight here from El Paso Locomotive FC in their Yuma coming out in his baseball kit.
The captain of Yuma.
El Capitan. Locomotive 1-0 winners in San Antonio. Good ball movement. Quickly up top. That's dumped in, and an immediate chance for Justin Dillon. Locomotive looking dangerous on the counterattack. Well won in the middle by Akinyote. Dillon. One back. Great job by Rose. Moshaban. Calvillo to Moshaban. Moshaban cross. Dillon the rebound, and it bounces right into the path of awaiting Eric Calvillo. Go crazy. Locomotive leads 1-0 in the 13th minute.
On the kicking for the
Fede Barrera locks that in, knotted out. Sent back into the mix, and it's just wide. Dangerous. They got the head of Pascal, had his angles covered, but let's see. Over the head of Hines. We'll get a good angle here.
Oh.
Brendan Craig on it. Locomotive's defense holding for now, but a corner kick. Third for Rising FC. To the far post, headed and cleared away. Dolenmeyer had to reach all that 6'6" frame up to get that one away. Skiers with a well-directed header that was headed for the far corner.
Yes, for defenders, it's like a score.
Indeed.
Yeah. It's a good moment.
Dunk shot by Noah Dolenmeyer.
This show how you are on the game. Maybe
I'm sure Cabrera has recognized that.
Yes, maybe the players that the danger players from Phoenix, the left side.
Zambrano in swinging ball. That's covered, Pascal. Looks like it got to Marboy, but wasn't able to put any force behind it, and an easy save in the end for the man on the loan from Bravos. Oh, deflection. Marboy and Justin Dillon gets a piece. Took some steam off, and on the other byline, Shaban.
The four guys, the strong guys on the mark.
We see the double wrap there for Nick Hines. So the black brace is off. He's got orange and white tape on both of those wrists. Well won. Moshaban out now to Dillon from Calvillo. Dillon to Calvillo. Can't pull the trigger. Nevarez rolls it. It's stopped by Rios Novo. Great work in the build-up. Moshaban went down in a heap. Phoenix now trying to counter quickly. Formella has touched it a lot more. Jose Hernandez. Lots of former Oakland Roots players on this Phoenix roster, including Hernandez. Panos Armanakis coming from Loudoun United. Skiers had a pretty solid night, replaced by Hernandez. Locomotive hanging on to that 1-0 lead right now, but Phoenix see the change in attack, and they're going to get a ball here. Formella out it comes, and it rolls off the post. The rebound fired wide up and over, in a goal kick. The shot from Fede Barrera off the right post. And Azócar. Whipped ball in, the shot is in. Formella, offside, flag is up, it won't count. That is exactly what they wanted. Rising FC saying that is the last foul I'm going to get you. And again, we're not quite. Here's Here's Zacarias into your frame. Zambrano defending well. Zacarias fresh legs. Nice job. To Lyons, the cross from the byline. Too far again, but Calvillo's there to receive. Hines. Akinyote. Rose. Jimmy Moshaban turns to face goal. Moshaban with a left foot has a go. Rios Novo. Long ball out of the back. It's a great job to keep it here by Gallardo. Fires well up and over the crossbar. Double subs coming for El Paso as we enter the 81st minute. And it will be Eder Borelli, your former teammates, both in Juarez and in El Paso.
Yes.
Tony Moshaban's night is done. He'll be replaced by Petar Petrovic. Team captain for both Bravos and Locomotive in his time on the pitch for both sides. Foul on Zacarias will win a free kick for Rising FC. Emil Cuello about ready to come in for Rising FC. It's a good pass here to Armanakis. Tries it from distance and it's in. Panos Armanakis, 30 yards off the byline. And it's tied at 1 apiece. Armanakis and boy, a little dance for the not too enthralled supporters here. Armanakis, left foot. Pascal looked like he got a fingertip to it. Better angle coming. Maybe the fingertip, but what? Trying to win its first match at home this season. Since late September of last year.
It's a long time.
It's a very long time. So you know Coach Cabrera really wants to see his team advance the ball and have more opportunities. Good defense by Rising. Zacarias to Dillon. Big man keeping it moving. Good cut back. Dillon with his left foot. It's a good challenge. Rios Novo was on it. Had his angles covered. But Justin Dillon, nice cut back.
Yeah, it's nice turn and a nice shot in the left. Using the left foot.
Bounces nicely. Great stop. Ramon Pasquel for Mella with the game on his foot. Vamos Locos the chance here in El Paso. Ball bouncing in the midfield for Mella. Well, one, Garay. Lyons, Zacarias. Zacarias drives one. Dillon, no. Petrovic saved off the line by Rios Novo. Petrovic was there. It's a shot on goal, but Rocco Rio Novo.
It's a good
And
cross.
that is it. Beautiful cross, and Locomotive had that opportunity but could not steer it in.